Here is our Maxi skirt. See how beautiful it is. And you can add any bodice to it. For this one, I added a princess bustier to it. If you like, you can add just a simple basic bodice. You can make use of cow bodice. You can add a sleeveless bodice to it. Anything you like. And if you even like, you can make it as a normal skirt. See how beautiful it is and how flowy. It's an half circle skirt and it's something that will not take time for you to make. You can just work with it within a short time. If you are new here on my channel, feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's a way of encouraging me. And for all my returning subscribers, I say thank you. Like, share and drop a comment. And let's get to the cutting table to see how we can cut this within a short time. We are making a maxi flare skirt, and this skirt is an half circle skirt. So for this half circle skirt, we need to make some calculation. You know, for the full length of the gown, I have 63. My upper bodice is 17. So subtracting 17 from 63 gave me 46 inches. So my skirt length is going to give me 46 inches. And in the waist of my skirt is 38. I need to add 3 inches zip allowance. So adding that gave me 41 inches. And to get the radius of my skirt, I will divide 41 by 3.142 to give me 13.02. So now my length is 46, my radius is 13. Altogether I have 59. I need to add sewing allowance to join at the upper part and at the down part. So I added 2 to give me 61. So it is this 61 inches that I will cut out twice. So I will just bring the two ends together. I will measure that 62 inches twice like you see me do, and then I will fold it on bias. Let's assume this is my 61 inches like this. I measured it twice and folded it together, and I will fold it on bias. The first thing I will do is to measure my full length round, and that is what I'm doing. I'll measure round, join the points together and cut it out. The reason I'm doing this paper illustration is because the fabric is lengthy and slippery. My table cannot contain my fabric and you may not be able to see what I'm doing very well. Then I will mark out my radius. I will join it and cut out. When I'm cutting off the radius, I will not cut exactly on the marked point. I will go up by like 0.5 inches, which will now serve as my seam allowance for joining it to the band or to the gown. So this is it. It's going to be having just one opening, and that is at the zipper allowance. So what I did on the paper is the same thing I'll be doing on the fabric. We have calculated the radius to be 13 inches. I'll pick up my tape rule and starting from the tip, I will measure 13 inches. I will connect the dots together. I will need to go up by half an inch to join to either my band or to the band, because if I should join it at the exact point that I marked for my radius, it will be unusually too big. So that's why I'm going up by half an inch to serve as seam. Let's go over it once again. My radius is 13 inches. I marked it round and connected the dots together. Then I went up by half an inch, which is here. I'll be cutting it at the half inch mark. Look at how flowy the flare is. If you have watched to this point, please give me a like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you for standing by.